Hey lollipops, welcome back to my channel. It is another market vlog today. Okay, so I'm here at the market already. I'm just packed, trying to have my breakfast, okay, because I've not eaten this morning, so I decided to have this avocado what's it called, smoothie. Okay, so I want to make two soups today, so I'm going to be shopping for two different soups, one stew and one ogbono soup. Okay, I'm making ogbono soup today, so I'll bring you guys along as usual. Okay, thank you so much, you guys. We are growing massively on this channel, and trust me, I wouldn't have been able to do that without your support, without your consistency watching my video. All right, so this is me saying thank you to all of you that have always supported me in one way or the other. Please don't get tired of supporting me. Please keep watching my videos, don't skip my videos. All right, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and let's just go to the market already. Okay. Good morning. Please, I need onion. Wait, you don't get onions? See the small onions that he has today. Oh yeah, now give me 1,000 naira. Give me the one of 1,000 naira. All right, thank you. Okay, bye. So guys, I'm going to buy tomato now. Okay, how much is your tomato, please? Okay, this one is oh sorry, so this one is 3,000 naira, the big one there, that cup. Then this one is how much last? Yes, no, 1 2. Yes, I bought some days ago for 117. Yes. Give me 3 cups. So you guys, I'm buying tomato. Okay, she's going to give me 3 cups. Just give me good ones, so. Hope there are no bad ones inside.
No bad ones.
Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So you give me pepper. You mix it for me. How much is pepper? Give me two red. Give me give me 2 red and 1 yellow. That's jumbo, right? Do you have tatashe?
Yes.
Where is tatashe and where is jumbo? How much do they sell? How much tatashe last? Yeah, give me 1 shade. Then you give me 2 shades of shumbo. Yeah. Give me. Right, this is your money. Thank you for the change. Amen. Okay, you guys, my customer is not around, so I bought from somebody else. Let me go and blend. Okay, come along, let's go. The market is looking a little bit different. I don't know if it's because it's too early. Yeah, I told you guys that I like going to the market very early in the morning. So my hair, obstruction. Madam, yes, please. I want ginger and garlic. How much is garlic?
Garlic 200, 150.
Show me the one of 150.
The one of 150.
150. This one is how much?
200.
This one is 200. Yeah, give me this one. Then you give me ginger, the one of 200. Okay. This one 200.
Yeah. 100.
500. Oh yeah, now try it for me. Hey God, wow. Hey, wow. You guys see ginger of 300, this one 200. It is well. Thank you so much. Don't blend in the tomato now, so I want to go and buy ogbono, okay? No.
Very good.
Very
It's near Obono.
okay, it's near ogbono. So it's very good, but okay, a cup is how much?
A cup is 2,000.
How much lasts for a cup? Sorry?
2,000.
2,000. Give me a cup. I'll buy crayfish from this other woman. Do you have original pay?
Yes.
Yeah, give me. No pay. What this English pattern of calling things? 100 naira. Is the original one, right? Yeah, give me 2. Add 2 for the ogbono. All right, let me quickly get crayfish. I'm coming. Hello, madam. Good morning. Yeah, so blended ones. This was how much? 500. All right, that's good.
So 1,000, right?
Yes, 1,000. I have crayfish at home, but I just want to add up. Yeah. You're going to add a little to blend this one out, then blend a little more out for me separately. Okay. Wow, that's amazing. So you guys, please don't blend in my ogbono. This is how it looks after blending it, okay? So, all right, there you go. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Bye. All right, let me buy ugu here. Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, please, I want ugu.
200.
Yes. How do they call it? A bunch is how much? 200. Yes. Okay, give me 2. You help me slice. Really. So I asked the woman selling this stockfish between the head. Yes, I'm showing it.
You can see how big.
Yes, this one is actually very big. Yes, between the head and the flesh, which one is sweeter? She told me that it's actually the head that is sweeter. So you guys stop buying flesh and buy head.
Wait. What talking about in Mock Market?
Please, I was joking. How much is this?
5,000.
How much is this? Yeah, I can use some today.
Yes. So you won't use it in one soup.
Of course, of course.
So I will just.
No, don't worry. Once hot water touch it night too. Huh? You guys, this okporoko that we just finished cutting now is one of the hardest okporoko that I've ever bought or purchased in my life. Good morning. Very well, thank you. All right. So, we cut for me. No, I'm not buying anything there. Good morning, madam.
Where's this place I'm buying? Hey, the babe I used to buy fish from is not around though. The market changed small. I've been eye. Let me go and buy soap.
This is 700.
Because I need the Premier soap.
Premium.
Yes. Oh, you don't have Premier? Okay, give me this familiar. This one here. This one is how much?
A pack.
Yes.
2,000.
Give me which one is better? This one. Good Mama is better, right? Give me this one. Okay. Give me a roll. 3,003. Thank you. Thank you so much. You guys, my hands are full. Thank you. And let me just trust you on this one. How much? You said how much?
1, 2.
Give me. Mommy. Yeah. Boy, fresh, ba? No, just.
Date, how much?
No, no one date. Okay, guys. So altogether, I'm buying 6 kgs. Okay, and per kilo is 3,900. So she already took the first 3 kgs. So this is the second one. I'm so sorry. Okay, so this is 6 kilos now. Please, you start cutting this one already. Please keep it separate. Separate. Yeah, separate. Alright, thank you. Thanks. Alright, you guys, that's 6 kg. And I'm going to the cash point to make payments now, okay? I wanted to buy in the market, but they did not have, so let me buy here. Well, I can't put everything together. So, these 3. I'm buying 6. I'll have to hold this one on my hand to avoid entering my soup. Alright, thank you. Okay, you guys, that's my receipt. Let me show you. Well, alright, now I'm going. I'm done shopping here.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
You're welcome there.
Thank you. Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Just left Annie's supermarket right now, and again, it's now ask now. Low key. I just observed this thing now. Okay, have you realized that since things became very expensive, everybody in the house is not eating too much? Like, the children are now wanting more. You yourself, me myself, I want to eat more. Hobby wants to eat more. Everybody wants to eat more. Wait, no, that's that like I don't even know. Expenses too much, oh girl. It's plenty, oh. Well, I noticed though. If you are eating too much now that things are very expensive, please let me know in the comment section, though. And it is well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for engaging in on my videos all the time. And please like, comment, and share this video with your family and friends. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay a dime for it. That will help me grow.